Morning, guys. Morning. All right. All right. Now, go wait until everybody jump on. Because we need to address some things when we see in the group here. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Is Andre on here? And state God. All right. Is anybody still in the trade? Anybody still in? Morning. All right. We're going to talk about some things, guys. Let me turn off this because I don't want you know distraction me as well. Right. So, I just saw Andre put that your loss is $9. Right? Guys, it's $9. Right? Me use one what $8 and turn to $150 before. So what I've seen so far is that some of the people in the group, their mindset is not on trading. You understand? Their mindset, yes, everybody is here to make the money, but if your mindset is not correct, the trading not go correct. You understand? I literally just did a video for a post on TikTok and on the rest of the social media. Your mindset has to be 100% before we get into this market, guys. Yes, making the money is one, but if you rush it, you're not going to make any money. You understand? Is Andre on here? Because I want to see him trade or him lose the $9 there and the trade no pull back. And the trade just pull back just now. You understand? So I don't know how him lose the $9 so quick. And this is what I've been saying it from day one. 1-1 trade. So even if he was in one trade from when we just call it out, Andre would have flipped that $9 already to one little bit of money. You understand? And next thing is the entry. You understand? When I call out the trade, as soon as I say get into the trade for your buy or sell, you need to be in the trade ASAP. You understand? Yes, we are predicting where the market might go. You understand? But if you see a good setup or we enter, you understand? Eventually it will move. You understand? Afternoon, Camille. So as soon as you start with a small account, you take your time, 1-1 trade until it's built up. You understand? It's not something that you're going to be rushing and say, Jesus Christ, I'm going to dash in one big lot size and just in case it move off. No. You understand? When we enter the trades, we just hope say, okay, you understand? Hopefully go up. I'm still in the trade. Me still in the trade. You understand? I'm still in the trade, so I don't know how Andrea made that look at $9 they gone left him. You understand? So the entry has to be on point when we enter in these trades. Your entry and the amount of trades where you put on. For the guys that would just start in the group the other day and come in there, I swear, no swearing in the group, guys. No, if me hear one more swearing in the group, I take on out. I'm sorry. This is not swearing group. You understand? This is not a swearing group. If you're having issues, mindset issues with the trades, take a break out of the market for the day or for that session and come back again. You understand? If you have a loss for a day, you notice I'm enough was no more from yesterday. If we have a loss, we just call it a loss and say, okay, we have to come back tomorrow fresh and see what the market has for us. Secure, make sure you're securing profits. You understand? I did a video. I could redrop back the video in the group. I did a video on my YouTube on how to move your stop loss in profit. Anytime you're in profit, make sure that you're moving your stop loss in profit. So just in case the market decide to pull back, it stop you out with some profits. And pull back and gone with all of your money. So whatever you were in profit with, you make sure you secure something out of it, guys. One of them, find the video, because I dropped it in the group the other day. Hold on a second. Go up here, so click on links. All right. All right, let me see what I'm going here. So, hey, I saw my chart dropping yourself while we start. My God, Daniels. Come look here. All right, hold on there. That's the Zoom. Let me see the YouTube link. Oh, here it is. All right, boom. So, copy link. All right, come back around here. So, all right. So I just drop the link in the group. I'm gonna pin it so everybody get notified, and then you guys will know how to move your stop loss in profit. So it's the same thing if you're in a buy. You understand? If you're in a buy, then you move you know that once you click on the SL, the SL red line is gonna appear at the top. All you have to do is drag it down into the buy candle. You understand? Don't put it too close, because you don't want to put it too close and it stop you out and then gone off about the business. And if you're in a sell, once you click on the SL is going to appear at the top above the candle, the sell candle. All you have to do is drag it down into SL, guys, into profit, me mean. You understand? And then you take your time. Guys, you know how me grow my account? From me enter the first position, once I'm in profit, I do not close it out. That's a kind of discipline that you guys have to grow into. You understand? Yes, I understand that most of you guys are scalpers, right? I know, notice some of you guys are scalpers, so no stay now no trade more than a couple seconds and no come out. Nothing is wrong with that, but at least you're still securing profits. You understand? As soon as you see profit, you can either close it out if you're happy, or you can move your stop loss in profit, which is at break even. All right, hold on a second. So you see where I call out the trade right here? All you have to do is move your stop loss in profit to break even and make this candle go and work its way up. So with 51s, because it's been selling off the wall last night, I don't know where did that sell go. Must down at L. You understand? It reached to a support right now where it's rejecting. We keep getting weak. So that's why when I come in, I look on it. So if I notice, it come back right now one consolidation zone. Right? It's right back into a consolidation zone. Hence why you see it's reversing from here. Now, if this trade end up pushing all the way back up here, so you understand? That's a win for me, because I'm still in the same trade for the buy. All I did was move my stop loss in profit to break even. So just in case it decides to come back and retest back the purple line, I'm still secured when it stopped me out in profit. You understand? So we have to learn how to move a stop loss in profit, guys. Learn to hold on for your trades a little bit longer. Well, for scalpers, it's going to be hard, because you guys are not used to holding on to trades. So how much are you guys in here are scalpers, or who can hold on for their trade? Hey guys. Alright, Angel, that's me. So you're a scalper. Alright, you can hold on a little bit. Alright, scalper. Alright, see, okay, you can hold on. I do both. Don't know how to hold. Okay, alright. But more for all. Okay, alright. So if you don't know how to hold on to your trades, all right, like I was explaining before, you see the first position that you entered, that would have been your old trade, right? That would have been the trade that you would hold on to. And then anything after that, if you're going to re-enter back a next position, Anything after that, you can scalp. But the first position, you hold on to it as long as it keeps pushing up. You understand? As long as, because what I notice with these pairs, they do not sell for long and they do not buy for long. They have to come back or retest where they're coming from. You understand? So as long as it keeps pushing up, you keep holding on to that buy. You understand? And so you hold on to the first position and then you work your way up. Anything after that, you can scalp in between, in and out, in and out, in and out until you build up your balance. So by the time your balance are built up there, so the first position still a run, right? Your equity could be a little bit more than your balance because you still have one trade open and running. So your equity could show more than your balance. Remember, your balance doesn't move until you close out a trade, guys. You understand? So that's how you hold on to your trades. Good. You understand? So, all right. Did you have a question, Sarah? Yes, Camille. Yes, you can do that. So look where Camille writes in the chat, guys. So if your account is small, you can scalp in the time being, right? Scalp in between, and then once the account reach to a certain level, then you can start holding your trades. You understand? You can start holding your trades from there, but always remain with a little amount of trades on. Not too much trade on running one time, right? You see with the 51s now, I only have on 2 positions, right? When it enter 125, one is minus $9 right now. My balance is at 150, right? My equity is at 171. Right? I use a slightly bigger lot size because I have a little bit more in my account. I'm using 0.01. You understand? What time frame is for scalping? Because mad at it. You can use the same 5-minute time frame. The same 5-minute time frame. That's what I do when I'm great. Yes. You understand? So you use the same 5-minute. We're still working with the same 5-minute time frame. So you go on your 5 minutes, right? You wait until you get your break and close. Anybody, you can re-enter back 51s for the buy, guys. You wait until you get your break and close, and then you enter the market. Once you enter, you hold on pan the trade like oh you don't hold on pan a tree for pick breadfruit. You understand? And let's say you come out of the market, right? Let's say you come out of the market already. All you have to do is if it push up to a certain structure and you're waiting for a re-entry, you come back on the 5 minutes, and if you see it keeps getting rejection, you drop one line right here and say, okay, me I wait for your break and close right there. You understand? Everybody in? So you can wait for your break and close, or you can enter, you understand? Or you can enter, exit with $5 and enter again. Okay. You can come on the 5 minutes, wait for your break and close, enter. Each time you exit the market, you always remain back to the 5 minutes. You understand? Relay back to the 5 minutes, and then you re-enter back the market. If you go again, you understand? You take out one next lot of money, you want to go back in, you go back in again. Right? But you always go back to your 5. If you're trading on your own, you know, just get up and go in the market. So guys, not because in your MetaTrader 5, that means you must just get up and go in the trade by yourself. You still have to look at the chart to see what's happening with the candles. You know, just guess and say, oh, I can't go in for your buy now. And so it work. And I think that's what's been happening to some of you guys. When I get up and I just jump in the market, so and I look on the chart. You understand? You have to do the chart analysis first before you just jump in. Because you jump in, you lose your whole of your money. You understand? Hey, Jandel. So you have to make sure that you're going in. You understand? From the 5 minutes each time. The lot sizes now. You understand? Your lot sizes have to be on point, guys. You can't just get up and I use any lot size. That's why I drop the lot size sheet in the chat. You understand? The lot size sheet is important. Make sure you're using it. If you're a person where you're not used to trading, you've never traded before, and you just a start out, you take your time and use the smallest lot size first. You can't do what me do because me more me is a risky trader. That's what I say. But for you guys who just are coming that's never traded before, when you just start dashing any lot size and now put on 1 million trade one go. So all you expect to make money if you put on 20 trade one time? You don't need 20. You just need one good setup and one good lot size. You understand? One good lot size. So for me now with the 51S, I have on one position. The first position is at $16. The second position now is at $9.17. You understand? You're going to get the market pull back here and there. You understand? You are going to get pullback regardless. So if you enter a market and you're going to see a little bit of pullback, but at the lot size where you use a data beat some of you put on 0.10 and this and that and that. So by the time you quit, the account gone. You understand? You can't have a little bit of money in your account and you put on 5 positions with the one pair. The pair is volatile enough, so you have to use one and build up the balance first. Then you can, after you build it up, then you can move from there and then you can put on a little bit more trades. You understand? And I bet the person that will have problem in the group, they're not there on the call. So this is what I'm saying. Them used to be in a signal group where people just sit down and drop trades in a every day. Round here, so not go get them kind of call here. You understand? You're going to get these guys. I don't have no patience. No patience at all. You guys, just going in the group, I fidgety, and say, Jesus Christ, it's a pull back and close out in a trade. Close out the trade and say, okay, me lose, this now work for me, this now, that now work for me. But I see them trade them here enter. You understand? I see them trade everybody I take. So if some people are win and the rest of the people them now win that I'm not winning, that means the rest of the people them are do something wrong. You understand? But understand, so with trading, you're going to have fear. That's normal. You understand? Yes, that's normal. You're going to have losses. Yesterday was just a lesson. It wasn't a loss. It was a lesson. You understand? The market been at its highest with 25 1S. We would have expected a pullback. But we're not going to know when the pullback will come, because remember, it's been at an all-time high. When we did it and things say, yes, everything's safe, it ended up pulling back on us. You understand? But if you guys had noticed, when we did call up the trade last night, it pushed up in a little bit of profit and then start pulling back down. You understand? Based on your lot size, everybody should have still secure one little piece of money out of the little move right there, so before it hit with stop loss. You understand? The only thing my problem is being focused. I go drop the book in the chat, but get something I read. Right? Buy Think and Grow Rich. I was talking about it the other day on my live. Everybody in the trade? I'm going to drop the book in the chat. You see, when I get up at morning time, guys, before me even turn on music, I get up, I read my Bible, I pray, and I have one book when I read. I read this book about 20,000 times already. It's called Think and Grow Rich by Napoleon Hill. You can get it on Amazon. You understand? That's why my mindset is with me now, I'm not argue with nobody again. So if you're trading and you're not focused, find the problem that's not making you focus. Either they're wrong people when I make you focus, or you go out, you cannot be trading when you're out and about. You're not going to have no good trading experience. With me, that's how I'm going to trade when I go out. As soon as I'm going, unless I have trades on, I'm going to move my stop loss in profit, then that's fine. But I don't re-enter back no more trades when I'm out and about. The trade could have push up to Jesus. Me no business. You understand? I overcome the fear of losses and I don't consider it as losses. I consider it as investment. And I don't get my... Yes, exactly. You understand? When most for those persons who are just coming in, persons started with me from last week Tuesday come make the amount of money where them never met before when them start trading. Them can't tell you in the chat. You understand? So if you're just starting out in the last couple of days ago, yesterday was just a little, you understand, a little test. You understand? It's just a little test. We see if we can angle anything what's going on in the market. We don't call it losses, we call it, you understand, lessons. I usually love YouTube, Netflix, so why should I know that's done with? Yes. You understand? Sometimes I not remember some I have Netflix. The only time I remember when something come out new and I say, okay, I may reinstall back the membership. Well, otherwise from that, me go up on YouTube and me listen to music. For me, when me I trade, music calm my mind. Me trade and listen to music. Right? But you see, once me around people, my focus gone. Can't concentrate. You understand? You think, you know what I'm going to do as well? Is when I'm going to be calling out the trades, right? When I'm going to be calling out the trades, I do it live on the call because I think dropping it in the chat, I get people confused. Because either people are going late or they're not securing profit when they're ready. At one out of the two. But the reason why I don't just do that is because, the reason why I don't stop is because people in the group, they are at work. So sometimes they might rely upon me if you drop the trades them in the chat. But I don't like the whole situation of dropping trades in chat. Yes, and anybody know me for a long time knows I something stay. I don't like drop trades in the chat. Company session. But I understand if you're at work, you can't get to come on the call. So Sue said I started out with $61 to $1,000 withdraw 800. See it there? When I see it for yourself and the screenshot them in the group. You understand? How much people in here withdraw? We had Olivia that started. I think she started $170 something. She withdrew $1,000 over the weekend. You understand? So you have to work on your discipline, your focus, your lot size. That may keep pressuring the lot size because your lot size is the problem. You understand? I know when to secure profit and run. You understand? I move your stop loss in profit. You understand? I withdraw 35 on my day 2. See it there? Alright, so everybody in at this so far. Alright, so suppose I move my SLN profit and I'm only in one trade and it's stopped out. What should I do? I just said it just now. If you get stopped out, you either ask in the group. If I'm still around my laptop, you ask Kim, can I re-enter back the trade? And I will check if I'm around my laptop. But if not and I'm out of road, I can still look at my MT5 and see where it reached structure. And I might say, okay, you can re-enter back. You understand? So like now, you come back or retest back the second entry, you can re-enter back this for the buy. But it have to work. If you want to leave your job, you have to work. You understand? It have to work. You understand? It has to work. When I started Forex, right? But every money me put in, me lose. Cause I never know what me I do. You understand? I never know what the hell me I do. As me put in $500, boom, US 30 and Nas take it. As me put in one money, gone. Put in one money, gone. So everything take time, guys. The losses what you have now, later on you can make back triple. Hallelujah, praise God. You can make back triple what you lost out here. You understand? Shane, joined last night and the trade it myself, but guess when I give up. Exactly, Shane. So I telling you say about 4 days it took some losses as well. See it there? Yeah, son. So what would I trade for me? Trust me. No, you trade for yourself. When you trade for yourself, you learn. When you learn from your mistakes. When you can't get things done easy, guys. You understand? When you trade for yourself, you learn from your own mistake. Right? Angels, my brother lose $500,000 before him, exactly, see it there? $500,000, me not even reach them that stage yet. Yeah, son. No, him take 2 weeks and trade and buy a car. See it there? Alright. Me just ask them the message there. That was when he told me to stop because I lost so much. Alright, you see it there? See what me I talk about? And I was talking about this on my live the other day. You understand? I was talking about this on my live the other day. Some of us, we're family our biggest downfall. Family and friends. So can you imagine somebody where you're married to tell yourself to stop because you lose so much money. Then suppose they give up so. Come here. You understand? Suppose they did stop. You would have made the money where you make the other day and withdraw. So you withdraw, show him. Because as soon as me withdraw, I him force I see it. That's why I not use them because with them you can't over exactly. Me not like them either. I do not like them. Me not like them none at all. I don't like them. Yeah, son. So what did he say? What did he say, Sue? But I did but I don't trade and make the money and show it. Oh God. Murder to Samantha. Listen, people not understand. When I just started as well, I never tell nobody. Me, when people find out some I trade, when I start showing results. That's why you see me take screenshots and put on my social media. I take screenshots and put on my social media, guys. When we just start with Forex, right? Me and my friend when me and her used to talk, right? Me said to her, say, come make some money. Oh, you now make no big money yet. Oh, this now work for you, this, that. Me say, okay, it will work. Up to this day, she sit down and watch me make thousands out of the market. And I just the other day, she opened the river. And she still not even set it up. So friend like them, they not even need friend like them because anybody now move towards how you move. You left them alone. You understand? Walk in your own lane. Because you can't force nobody to make money. But at them see when a complaint and them broke. Or you feel broke and somebody there try to help you make money. That makes sense? You understand? If I learn how to set up my account and deposit. I just be real account. Yeah, use a real account, your real money. So my sister tell me every day, say, I'm foolish, it's me I do. Alright. And so when you withdraw and put it, you don't have to tell them, you just put up the screenshot. As soon as you withdraw and put up the screenshot, oh, sis, you can't lend me one money. Everybody come beg now. Everybody come beg. You You understand? Everybody come beg. And I said, Jesus Christ, you know, say, me didn't know say it can work. And then come change them out for you. I said, them stand. So I never tell nobody so me I trade until when me start see result. From you start seeing result, you know say okay, this have to work. Because if it work for one person, it will work for the next. You understand? Not even that my friend I get. Yes. Yes, so me you stay there. Make them stand there. You can't with these people you can't force them to do nothing. Nothing at all. I saw them stay. You can't force them to do nothing on here. Alright. We're gonna breeze 25 minutes until when it decide to stop pull back down. Alright, we're gonna go to some other trades around here so. Ooh, 10 is gone, man. Which let me never call out some other pair last night. Let me see something. 101 is to do. Okay, 101 is the pull back, it just stop loss, push back up the so. Alright. VIX 10. Did they call out VIX 10 last night? We look like them was sitting at the dip and I look a pullback streak last night. Why can't go so? Alright, I'm go for 101 is. Them did dip and I look a pullback streak, man. Alright, let's see what's going on around here now. Let me tell you something, guys. You see VIX? Me say if they need introduce me to VIX all before me start Forex. All them time I me have one private plane park out the door. No, ain't nobody want no tarmac. Me just run it on the road. If they need introduce VIX to me a couple years ago before Forex. But sometimes everything up for a reason because when you see Forex teach you foundation. You understand? It teaches you foundation and what to do, how to mark up your chart, etc. So when me have that knowledge and use it over years now, it's a piece of cake. You understand? It was a piece of cake for me. Cause all of the money we used to trade on TikTok, I not see them again because then that's long in a box so I can't trade. You understand? All of them, I not see them again. I've not seen them again. Right? Because they must say, oh, me come in, or me just start trade Forex, or me start trade VIX, and me come in and I kill the market. So, the one of them sit down and talk. You understand? My friend has scroll on TikTok and say, Kim, go listen here. And she dip on the phone and me I listen to the so when me done, I go up on my page see, and I block the whole of them. The same person who introduced me to VIX in the box attack say me can't trade. And that's where it starts circulate from. They sit down and oh she don't know what she do. Me up on the call and me I tell her so for sell 51 is and she call it out for your buying. So when the buy play out, you know about attack again. I block the whole of them. You understand? So if me need to sit down and listen to people on social media, I don't reach nowhere. You understand? If you sit down and listen to people as well, you don't reach nowhere either. Bad mind. Your bad mind and the top, man, may I tell you. True master it. Yes, exactly. Yeah. And that I kill them, may I tell you, that's what killing them. The people them, the boy them sit down in a box. Oh, she use the money and buy this and buy that and rate. Alright, now you can't say none of them. Me block the whole of them. I say, okay. If I saw them, that for them mentality, for help people and then talk about it and I go tell you, say, oh, you can't do this or you can't do that. Oh, you mean you can't? There's nothing name can't. You understand? There's nothing at all name can't. But them not understand how me catch on it so quick. And that a puzzle them, you know. Because it take them years to learn it. And me come in 1 year and add. You understand? At the time I never 1 year and add it. I did about 6 months in. 6 months in the first time I put in $50 in the account, and I flip the $50 to 4,000 US dollars per VIX 75 alone. Then the time that we are kill 75 when it's over here, I soon go up and what me finish. Yes, come here did there cause as soon as me learn up, me set up the as soon as me set up the account, I come in first, me call her and tell her if I set up for her. You understand? So come in our chat, come in can tell you from day one when I'm over the other company. As some of them type of money I may make out of the market. And when you hear the people that come and say, oh, me not see her, she have no name brand now. Me not need to wear name brand for sure so me make money. Me have the money put on for do me investments. Not for buy clothes. Clothes are not investment and shoes and bag and ear. No. As soon as I see me put that money aside when I make yesterday, for over the last couple of days, me take out that out of my MT5 and I turn the fee for the devil test me. If you come make me go in the market to do a big lot size and everything go gone. No, I'll give it back to you. You must be crazy. That put on one side. You understand? I'm start all over again. As Canto Massacre. Yeah, you start all over again. That's how it go. You make, withdraw, rinse and repeat. You understand? Wish they made there somewhere and have a drink. But the class I trade at the same time. So it better me use the money buy cash pot. Alright, see it there? You see? So then why you so when you buy the cash pot, what go on now? You gamble that's all. Over here, so you're gonna lose thousands out of the market, millions. See, Angel is just dropping in the chat. Say our brother lose $500,000 now by the couple of days time. He make money and use the money buy a car. You understand? You're gonna lose thousands out of the market, millions. A couple trades and you make back that the money there are more. You understand? Alright guys, 10-1S for the buy. Stop to lose. Alright, 10-1S for the buy, guys. For me, I just stick to the peers that will peer me. You understand? But for you guys, these small peers will build up your account bit by bit. You understand? I don't like to say the word lose to, but sometimes you're so stuck to one little word. Alright, let me see what I go on. What's the smallest lot size? You have the lot size sheet, Shane? The lot size sheet is in the chat. But guys, wanna save the lot size sheet to your phone. So when you're trading, you have it with you. When we get started, you know, I never know not about no lot size sheet. Me just a dashing lot size. Trust me. Me just say that dashing, I'll use anything. I think that's where a lot of people are going on the market wrong. They not study the lot size sheet. I make sure I study the lot size sheet there. I say, okay, I know what for me, I'm a play around with the lot size. Yeah, exactly. I see something with me. I was used to the Forex lot size. So when you come over here, so them Forex lot size, they one trade and it gone, the account gone. One trade. Oh, this is the old one. Let me delete it. One trade and it gone. Alright, see it there? Boom, gone a road, you know. Jesus Christ, a good things that will come on. The lot size, the stop loss, I'll drop it in the chat. So you see the chart, the chart when we drop in at the chat, The lot size is the red line. Sorry, the stop loss is the red line you see on the chart. Let me see. All right, everybody still in off 51S? So you never enter the trade, Sarah? So this is what I'm saying. You guys are not entering the trades. Are you exit with profit? All right. Let me see. So we're going to wait up here, break and next break and close. Move this up right here. Move my SL in profit. All right. So in the chat, Shane. In the chat, see the lot size, see the stop loss here. Just click. You have to click on the chart. If you look on it, you will see the lot. The stop. Excuse the lot size. You will see the stop loss. Or you exit by accident, okay. So accident, you can accident not happen in a trading, guys. Right? We have to cut out with some of these things. The accident and the mistake and they put on big lot size and them things here. That's things where you guys have to work on. Yes, the one in the red. Alright, so we are waiting for a break and close for those who want to re-enter. So never enter the market while it's moving, guys. Always wait for a break and close first. If you don't get the break and close, do not enter. So right now I'm up $44 a float in a profit. I'm still in the two positions, them on 51S. Alright, so we have a new candle out. Let's see what going on here now. Alright, so I get a look at rejection. Alright guys, you can enter 51S. Because we're not going to wait until this push up our run and go to business. It might just fly. 51S guys for the buy. Alright. Let me just actually make this stay here, so let me just tell him the lot size in the chat. Let me can use for the stop loss the entry. Two, 5, 6, 8, 9. Alright. I'll go circle back 25 on S. Because it reached the one low and I'm going to go up on the higher time frame and so I'll go on. Alright. 25. You enter by your demo? Here. Alright, so looking at this come back or retest back one previous level. So you come here, so come week. Me look over here to my left, it surpassed yesterday's candle, but you notice the wick a push back up. So if we can get in and a buy, we stop loss of it tight like Virgin. I'm going to fill out back quarter, and because this not reach half, I'm going to fill out back quarter, this can go down here, so. Yes, Shane, look how long me tell you guys if we re-enter back the trade. But you not listen. You know, this not all, you know. Alright, so for this, I'll wait for a break and close here. Usually, I don't wait for the break and close out of this area, but when I make it in this way. Because if it do push up, you understand, we have to take a look at risk run here. So with this, you reach back to one previous a previous area. So this is what I'm looking for. From this so come back up here so to this previous level. That's what I'm looking for. Alright. So I can wait for this break and close. I see what 75 I go on with. Although I go on in a 75, I still G in a 75 a G, man. But it a consolidate bad. I mean, you can still get one look move out of it in a butt. Murder to Samantha. It's consolidate. Actually, it's a set up to Jesus. Go look here. But we need it out of this area. No man said when we just start trade it's in the chat. When we just start trading VIX, I say a beer 75 alone me trade. Beer 75. Oh yeah, multitasking up on the road, okay. So for this now, we have to wait for a break and close before we get in. Beer 75, ask Camille. Camille did there. So we make some bread and money from 75. Hey. Every day, I'll be a 75 with a milk. The people them say you can't trade one different pair. I say no. Which different pair? It's a different pair on every trade. Alright, it'll pull back a little bit so you can re-enter back, guys. And 51S. Yeah, every day the people them ask me can't trade one different pair. I say which different pair? It's different pair on every trade. That time we don't know but the 1S is them. And when somebody say, oh, you can trade the 1S them and they make you plenty money. I say plenty money? You know you're talking my language. Why? I say for me hear about the plenty money. I stuck to the 1S them. Stuck to them like glue. Wait, not Sheena, but you not have no patience, man. You know, we are waiting for the break and close. And also jump in and go, you know. We have to get the break and close first. If we don't get the break and close, we can't go in, you know. Yes, come in, me I tell you. And you know, say, to be frank, I was a couple of times, me used to call out 51S. Me never used to like calling it out because it is slow to me. Not slow, it's always choppy. So me always think that, oh, this now move, this now move. Guys, let me tell you something. You see, as we get older in a trading, because we have to say we start trading when we're young, right? Shani. Oh, me right, me think they look on the name, but Jesus Christ come look here. Sorry, yeah. Merciful Father, me think say a she, you know. Lord Jesus Christ, me there's a spoil up in him. Go here, yeah. Murder reaction to Samantha. Me did it all along and I call you she, you know. Me think say a man. Sure. Alright. So, what did I say now? Just forget what I saying. Yes. So when we start trading, we have to look at trading like we just start young. We start out with just a start walk. Right? You see, the older we get, and the more experience we get, guys. You understand? The older we get, and the more experience we get. You understand? I never have no big losses until last year. None at all. Me never have no losses until last year when me in a problem. But you see, once you have them last day, right? And bear in mind that was 30K. Now 30K for the month, 30K one go. It never affect me because we need to have other things that go on. But you see, once me say, okay, me I take a break from the market, and me I take a break from the media. You see all them same, them mix up website and them mix up vlog and them something, me don't follow none of them. But you know what? Sometimes if someone call me and say, oh, you not hear this, I don't know. And I don't care to know because them already rich and them make money off of people on TikTok. We there so make it for ourselves. You understand? I don't want to know. Upon this page, I don't want no mix up. I don't want nothing upon this. Me not even, when I go open my FYP page, I'm supposed to see restaurant and holiday. And them there's something that me pick when I open back the new TikTok. I don't want to see no mix up. So anything I go on baga, me no care. Me not even want to go up on people page. For go look what I go on. You understand? And it was 20K last year too, Okay. Yes, then you have to make it. You understand? From 90 cents to $8. That's not bad. That's very good. So you see you improve. You understand? You're improving. So let me say, once you come on, you understand, you get up before you come trade. You understand? You make sure so your mindset is there. Right? Your mindset is there before you start do anything else. Because trust me. You understand? From 12 to 30. Alright, see it there? When you finish, you can drop on a screenshot in a chat later on. The SL is in the chat. I drop it in the chat, Shani. They call you Shane all along to Jesus. From 7 to 16. Alright. So when you drop them things here in the group, that motivate other people. Waiting for a re-entry. Okay. Yeah, on the telegram, Alright, so while we are waiting 35 minutes, we'll go back for 51 minutes. That's what I'll go on. Alright, so you can re-enter back. Quick and fast. 51 is quick. Because what them are entry and once they move off, that's it. Right, it run to Jerusalem Kingdom. Everybody in. Quick and fast. 1, 2, 3, shake it all about. Check on the lot size first. I got it, Got it. So we catch it right at the pinnacle of Jesus. We catch it right. We want catch back 25 when it's at the pinnacle of Jesus too. Alright. The thing, the trade, the pairs that will make with money, and then we are stick to. Me say we're gonna have losses until losses can't come no more. Cause to be honest, anything else where you now make the amount of money that quick with the other pairs them apart from 51s and 25s. So I stick to them. I was to the woman by Steve Harvey did say, is this your man? And you're sticking by him? Yes. We are stick by them 2 pair there. Cause to be honest, 75 now make with that the money them money out so quick, You're crazy. 75 will make your money, but not this quick. And it's not like we are trying to make the money quick, but at the period then we actually make the most money. You understand? Yes, by the time you're going to make it back. By the time I quint, you make it back. And more. Ask the people then we start from last week, Tuesday. Just 1 week now we start the compound challenge. Most people make back their money the same day. By the session, 25 one is a buy go to Jesus. Same day. 25 one is and 51 is. That's where you're gonna see the most money from. You make mine and lose it. Okay, you make back yours and lose it back. So see there? So let me see how much people there on this call. 16 people out of 38. So 16 people out of 38. No come on here and I leave off with a different mindset. Alright, so we still wait on this to set up. Alright. Guys, the trades I could pull back. Remember it's been buying from way down, so it I could pull back. If you use the proper lot size, then you shouldn't be in the chat worrying now. You notice I now look on it? That's why I tell you guys, if you have a small account, one trade. One trade until you build up the balance first. Then after that, you can put on 2 position, 3 position, whatever the case may be. Right, 25, one is coming like a stubborn idea, yeah. VIX 75. VIX 75 did push up last night, but we need a break and close before we get into this trade here. Come find support right here, so. But it'll play about. Alright, so we'll probably get a pullback to where it is right now and then pull back up later. The SL, I did drop it in the chat, in the Telegram chat. Hold on. The SL 225689.6. That's what I use for the SL. If you did enter from here, that's the SL. But if you're still in from when we did drop it in the chat, the stop loss, you should have moved your stop loss in profit already. So like quite a pullback. If we get back a break and close, we enter back again. For those who can. Come on, 25 1S. Work your body up there, so work your body. Alright, 1 minute. I need to attempt up here, so you know. Attempt to break this area up here and pull right back down. Alright, so you have to push back up little. Alright, we need a break and close back above this before we get back in, you know. Alright guys, 25 1S for the buy. $25 1S for the buy, guys. Alright. Could leave my stop loss right there, so. So right now, guys, we don't usually trade in between them areas here, but we are chance it and get in, guys. So make sure when you're in profit, move your stop loss in profit once you're in profit, because it did come up here before, reject, and pull back down. So just in case it does manage to reach all the way up here and come back down, grab your profit and run. Because this area right here, so it make one double pattern. This the on the last leg of the double pattern. But we are going to see if we get the break and close above this green line right here. So watch it and see what it do. Alright. Oops. Alright, copy. Alright, everybody in, guys, everybody in. What is me call out? 10-1S. Them charter not saving, you know. They're not saving for the Christ of Jesus. Alright, 10-1S. Yeah, if we get the break and close. Alright, you guys did enter this, you're supposed to be in a profit. Alright, so this pull back to the second entry. can see if you respect the entry or so. Okay. Alright, so you come back down on the entry. Alright guys, you can re-enter back this one, just one position from down here, so guys. So I'll go on again, so. Alright, everybody back in, everybody back in. Just enter one position from right here, guys, until it push back up. And use the same lot size, the same stop loss, 225,689.6. I will say them lose back everything. Alright, so 25 one is still at anchor about the so. Alright. So we're gonna see what we're going with this. have two different charts running, so. Them charts are not safe, you know. They might piss me off. Where? Alright, 25. When I take time, I push up to Jesus. Go on, man, because you did this up and what pick you'll fill up. Alright, you guys supposed to be in a profit. And 25 one is. I have two different charts saved around here, so. Hold on, this is something. So we have this one, it's saved. We did have the injury right there, so. Still above our entry, so we see what we're going with it. We will see what's going on. Alright, so. Right, you guys supposed to be in a 25 1S. Come on, 25 winners. You can do this, 25 winners. You can do this. Oh, God. Brother reaction to Samantha. You got this, 25 winners. You got this. My God. Avis Daniels. That's what 51 is I want to know. Come on, 51 is there's a play about. Push back up, man. And stop run on yourself. Alright, guys. I mean the last one 6. So 225689.6. Patience does it, guys. Patience does it. That's okay. But that's why you know if you look on it, look on the trade, look on the your phone when you trade. You know, so when put on trade, me don't look on it, guys. I don't look on it. So when you guys are saying no stress, no this, no that, no ray, listen, guys, you just have to believe, have patience, and wait until the market push up when if it push up. You know how much me up in a profit? $105. The balance still there 150. My equity is at 257. But I went in with a little bit more lot size because I have a little bit more in my account. But I just showing and say when you believe in your trade, you're not going nowhere. You understand? I saw me trade. Is either it stop loss or it go and about it business. One out of the two. But eventually you have to do something. There's only two ways the market can go up or down. You understand? Only two ways. Either up or down. Watch out. You understand? That's how it go. Alright guys, I'm gonna jump off. I'll keep everybody updated in the chat. The 25 one is hold on to it. The 51 is should push back up. Once it push back up, hold on to it and move your stop loss in profit. Alright guys, later on, I'm gonna get some food eat now. Alright guys, later. We're gonna be back on at 7 p.m. guys, but in between, yes, if them trader retest or if them whatever happen, then me tell you guys so okay, jump back in. Yeah. It's gonna be the same link. But I'll drop it in closer to the time. Alright guys, enjoy the rest of your day later on. Alright, YouTube, later on.